There are more people who die from medical malpractice every year than from automobile accidents and workplace accidents combined. The idea, at a core level, the idea of medical malpractice is that a failure to observe the ordinary standards of care in the medicine that then leads to an injury that causes harm to the plaintiff. The medical malpractice myth is that the reason we have problems with health care in our society is because of medical malpractice litigation. And I would say the core myth is that the litigation is the problem rather than medical malpractice. And we have a big problem with medical errors and medical mistakes in our society. And the sad part about this myth is that if we think the problem is these bad lawsuits, then we don't confront the real problem, which is that it's not as safe as it really should be to go to the doctor. The reality about medical malpractice litigation, there's really a few parts to it, which is, first, most people who are injured and eligible don't sue. The second reality of medical malpractice litigation is that it's not growing, that the same number of people are bringing cases today as were bringing cases in the late 1980s. The other reality of medical malpractice litigation is that the legal system does a good job of weeding out the weaker claims and letting the stronger claims get paid. The public should care for two reasons. One, when they go to the hospital, they want to feel safe. And medical liability, fear of medical liability, is one of the few things that can actually encourage a hospital to be safe. And then secondly, they should care because, God forbid, something happens to them, they should have the ability to recover. And the medical malpractice myth is making that hard.